In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit contacts in Outlook. This is a really simple process that lets you update phone numbers, email addresses, job titles, or any other information you've stored for your contacts. Whether you're keeping your business contacts current or updating personal information, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and look at the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the People section, which is the icon that shows two figures. This takes you to your contacts view where all your saved contacts are displayed. Now you need to find the contact you want to edit. You can scroll through your contact list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the person. Once you've found the contact you want to update, you have two options. You can either double-click directly on the contact, or you can single-click on them first to view their details, and then click the Edit Contact button that appears. Either method will work perfectly. A pop-up window will now appear showing all the fields for that contact. This is where you can make your changes. You can update their email address, phone number, company name, job title, physical address, or any other information stored in their contact card. Simply click into any field you want to modify and type in the new information. Take your time to review all the fields and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Once you finish making all your changes, look at the top of the pop-up window and click the Save and Close button. This will save all your edits and close the contact editing window. Your contact information is now updated and will reflect the new details wherever that contact appears in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully edited a contact in Outlook. It's that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Outlook tutorials and productivity tips.